always love to start with head voice exercises because head voice is all about flexibility. And when I can get flexibility happening, I can be a vocal gymnast. All right, I'm going to do some zoos. I'm trying to buzz that Z a little bit more. That's starting to feel more buzzy now because I actually started to buzz that Z a bit more. So that's really good. And as I go higher into my range, it can sometimes start to feel a little bit tight. And so I've got to make sure that I'm just dropping my jaw a little bit more and allowing just more space and openness, yeah, for my voice to come out. That felt so much better that time.